A follow-up now to a CBS 2 investigation. The Better Government Association is calling for the state to clean up its act when it comes to disciplining dangerous doctors. CBS 2's investigative reporter Pam Zekman tells us the challenge comes in response to her reports and the BGA's own probe involving the case of a dentist operating without a license.
4 years ago, Santiago Arminiana had 3 teeth pulled by a person he thought was a licensed dentist. He says he wound up with bone and gum damage that another dentist estimates will cost up to $12,000 to repair. Arminiana complained to the state in April 2002, then learned the person who did the damage was not licensed.
She worked illegal. I was in shock.
He was more shocked when the state gave her a license 6 months later. The head of the Better Government Association was outraged by Arminiana's story.
The complaint was filed before the individual was licensed, so that should be a red flag. Did the investigative side ever talk to the licensing side?
No comment from the state, but 2 years later, the state did charge that in Arminiana's case, the dentist extracted teeth and removed tissue without a license. Now the state wants the license suspended that Arminiana says should never have been given in the first place.
Because she harmed me and she can harm other people.
Harm done to other patients by dangerous doctors we've exposed is now prompting a call for the Department of Professional Regulation to ask for legislative help in Springfield.
They have a duty to protect the public, and if they don't have the right tools or the right staff, they can certainly go down there and ask for it.
That's exactly what the head of the department says he'll do if necessary.
There is a need to revamp the program and the regulatory process, and for the last year we've been working on doing that.
Grillo says he also supports a patient's right to know bill sponsored by State Representative Mary Flowers in response to our earlier stories. That measure would give patients more information about a doctor's disciplinary record or malpractice judgments on the state's website. Antonio and Diane.
Important information to have. Thank you, Pam.